so excited. Skin looks good. I look good. Now I am. Some stuff just happened this morning that put a damper on my mood. I got a new couch. It's not new, it's new to me, and that's what matters, okay? I'm still a very bougie girl, but I've learned to be bougie on a budget. There's money to be made and there's money to be saved, okay? I know where I want to get in life, and spending hella coins on things that don't need to be spent a hella lot of coins on is unnecessary. Here is my couch and I love it so much. I got it on Facebook Marketplace and I only paid $350 for it. And it's like a pleather couch. It's really pretty. Obviously you can see wear on it when you get up close, but you know what? It still looks cute though. I'm gonna work on finding something to put there. I'm not really sure what I want, but I also want curtains as well over there. I was gonna do like a beige curtain, but now that I have this couch, I definitely need some contrast. So I'm kind of thinking about what I should put over there. I'm thinking, I don't really want a pattern, but I think I definitely want some texture on the curtain. So I'm thinking black, but I'm not sure yet because I feel like black really closes the space off. So I'm gonna decide on that. For here, I don't really know what I wanna do. Of course, artwork would probably be the thing to do, or there's this extended calendar that I really like, or I'm gonna make some art and put it over there. I haven't decided yet, so all of this is still up for discussion. Hi. So I wasn't doing anything at first with my apartment, so I'm really happy with this couch. I'm really trying to turn this place into like my own place, like somewhere that I would want to be all the time. I'll also be showing you guys how I put my apartment together and how I'm already doing the series on Instagram, so you can check that out. I think I'll just do it on YouTube as well, kind of show you guys like how I'm putting my apartment together. I did just get back from Nigeria. My life changed when I went to Nigeria. Like, going to Nigeria was so good for me. It was too good. Like, I cried on the plane coming back. I did not want to leave. I'm such a perfectionist. I'm probably gonna cut this out, but I just feel the need to say this. I'm such a perfectionist. And because I have been a perfectionist, I don't do things. Like, I want things to be perfect, and so I don't do it. But you know, the Bible says, do not despise the day of small beginnings. And I have a digital planner, if you guys don't know. It's a Havapod digital resources for the praying girl. So very much so like Bible based. It's not just gonna be digital products, but I'm definitely starting off with that. Later on in the year, I'm gonna work on the planner for next year. I also really wanna do a physical planner, but I haven't decided yet. Tomi, you're gonna do this. God's got you. You just have to put in the work. Love you, bye. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. I was supposed to have voice classes today, but I'm not having it because I don't know if you know, but I'm recovering. I'm not feeling too well. And my voice is just, y'all saw yesterday, my voice is okay, but it's not the best. So I'm just gonna have a cup of tea this morning. I decided that I haven't really done Bible study in a long time. I realized that I've kind of been like slacking and not really spending time with God like I should, and I haven't been reading my Bible. I usually have a cup of coffee, and I probably will have one later on, but for now I'm just gonna have some tea. But yeah, I just recorded this whole look and I love it so much. Honestly, it's how I do my makeup all the time. Literally all the time. 95% of the time, this is how I do my makeup, but like different lip variations. Anyway, I am about to get ready. I have a few minutes to record some more reels and also to just get ready in general. I just wanted to show you my makeup and my look. I'm going to a winery with a group of people I don't know. It's going to be really, really interesting for me because I haven't met people really since I've been here. I mean, I have friends here, but I haven't met like a whole bunch of people. So I'm a little bit scared, but I'm a little bit excited. So we'll see how it goes. And I love my outfit today because it's very Tomi. Honestly, I really didn't know what to wear, but I'm just gonna be me and I'm just gonna dress how I would dress normally. So yeah, I'm so excited.
Thank you.
I'm back from my wine event that I went to earlier. It was a wine tasting event held by this group on Instagram that I follow. I think they're called Sellers Lounge. And I had a really good time. I met the founder of like the group page event thing and I had a really awesome time. I met 11 people that I didn't really know. I met some cool people. Like I feel like there are people there that I would definitely want to connect with in the future and like hang out with again and see again. I guess I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Wearing this dress, as you can see, it's so cute. Yeah, so it's this dress is by this page called Divas Lounge on Instagram. It's a Nigerian brand, so I picked it up when I was in Nigeria. Like I got it made for me and then I picked it up while I was in Nigeria, and this is what it looks like. And it's such a pretty dress. It's so flattering. When I was leaving, I was feeling like maybe I was a little bit overdressed, but I'm so happy that I wore this because definitely not overdressed. I looked comparable. Everyone was pretty much dressed up in heels and stuff like that. So I love my people. I have become a ring girly. I've always wanted to be a ring girly since I was like young, and now I am. I would say definitely like if you have things like this going on around you and you want to make friends and it's something that you're interested in, definitely like check it out. Y'all, the founder is so funny. He told us 12:45. I got there 12:48 and I was rushing like, oh my gosh, I'm so late. Tell me why the event didn't start until 1:30. Tell me why the event did not start until 1:30. I was shook. I think I actually want a cup of coffee. What time is it? 5 o'clock for a cup of coffee? I'm gonna do it anyway though. I just got done talking to my sister, to my sisters and my cousin. Honestly, I haven't caught up with them, I don't think, since I went to Nigeria or since I got back from Nigeria. So it was really good to catch up with them. But now I'm about to record my nighttime like skincare routine. I actually really enjoy this process. So I'm pretty excited. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link below to wherever I posted it. Honestly, my makeup today, 8. Skin looks good, I look good. I'm about to wind down for the night. I need to edit some footage from today's festivities. We're taking this thing seriously. Are you proud of me? Because I'm proud of myself. I think talking to a camera is a little bit nerve-wracking for me, but when I talk to my friends, it just be flowing. Sunday, I just got back from church. I didn't just get back, I got back a while ago. I wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick because I just think it's the cutest. I just had a cup of coffee because I have a problem. That's a discussion for another day though. So this is my outfit that I wore to church today, and I wore some heels with it, and I love it. It just looks really good. Like the yellow really pops on my skin. Some stuff just happened this morning that put a damper on my mood, but you know what? It's okay. Things happen, and God allows certain things to happen so that we can learn lessons and move up from it. I'm about to make some pounded yam right now. I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna start meal prepping in a little bit. I already brought like my chicken out and stuff. We're gonna do something really basic, like the easiest meal prep that you can think of. That's what I'm doing. This week we're gonna have jasmine rice. I love me some jasmine rice. And we're also gonna have chicken thighs, either broccoli. I don't have enough broccoli for the week, so I'll have broccoli for lunch, and then we're gonna do a salad at night. And I brought some plantain today as well because just needed some plantain. I want to make gizzdodo this week because that's like a really good, let me just put it together type of situation. So if your plantain is not ripe and you need it to get ripe, I'm gonna take all the plantains, literally just put it in here, and I'm just gonna leave it in the cupboard, and I'll probably like check on it in 2 or 3 days because I love having plantain in my salads. If you haven't watched that reel where I made like a sweet plantain salad, so good. Plantain just makes it taste so much better. I have my pounded yam. And then today was really tough. This morning was really tough. I was going through a lot of emotions, but there is a bright side. I'm really happy. Is mom killed? I'm sorry, I hate gel X nails. I'm so not used to them. I hate them so much. I prefer acrylics, and I will never get gel X nails again. Like, they hurt so bad. I have a whole reason why I don't like it, but I don't really like the shape. I prefer the shape of acrylics. It's easy for me to type, for me to grip things and all of that. But with the gel X nails, they kind of like curve, even though they're straight, right? But they kind of curve over a little bit. I don't know how to describe it, but I hate gel X nails, and I'll never get gel X nails again. While I'm waiting for my face to absorb the treatment, I'm gonna do some hair care or some scalp care. This is a Living Proof dry scalp treatment. I don't know if you should or shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna follow up with some hair oil. This is the Unlay Oil Spray. I actually like heard about it from this lady on YouTube. I'm about to go have me some apricots or peaches. I don't know. They look the exact same. I don't know the difference. First day training for my 5K. I'm not gonna get to work at the time I would like to get to work today, but that's fine. It was way too dark to run outside, which is what I wanted to do when I woke up this morning. It's way too dark. And I'm scared of a lot of things, but one thing I'm scared of is getting kidnapped and tortured and murdered, okay? Got back home from work. I am so tired. It's like 3:30 today. It's 3:45 right now. I'm so tired. You can't believe it. I was out of work last week because I was sick. I decided, let's wear a blazer today. But I'm gonna play some video games with my friend real quick. If you guys don't know, your girl is a gamer. I love to play video games. So I have gained quite a bit of weight over the past year. I used to be like 150 pounds, and now I'm close to 180. What I really want to do is focus on my health and lose some weight. And so that's part of the reason like I started the whole running thing. Like I want to get into running just to get into running, but also for the weight loss and health benefits. So when I went to Nigeria, I lost a lot of weight. Okay, it was 3 pounds, but that's a lot because your girl has been struggling to lose weight in America. I came back, I gained the 3 pounds back, right? I've been eating a lot of candy, and so now I'm gonna try to not be eating so much candy. I've been a little bit lonely, and so I've just been eating my feelings, which I kind of like noticed the other week or the other day. So this week I'm gonna try to really focus on my health and get a jump start and start eating healthy. Because the thing about me is that for me, food is everything. Like I exercise all the time, but if my nutrition isn't on point, I'm not gonna lose weight. I notice like the best progress with myself when I'm focusing on my nutrition. So I'm not really tracking calories right now. I probably should, but I'm just not. I'm just trying to heal my relationship with food because maybe for the past 8 months or so, I've been like really trying to lose weight. Like my sister got married, so I was really trying to lose weight for her wedding. And it was honestly just like a struggle. I was trying to do like the whole intermittent fasting thing, which I've always done, and it worked for me, but I was taking it to the extreme, like only eating for 2-hour windows. And honestly, it just really didn't help me. Like I did see progress, but I was unhappy. So I'm trying to have like a better relationship with food. Like I already know like what to eat and what not to eat and stuff in proportion. The problem is I just have to like stick to it. Having a little snack. I'm just having some tortilla chips and hummus. And currently I'm kind of like on a, if I bought it, don't waste it kick. So I bought it so that I would eat it basically. And I do like hummus. I like the taste of it, but it's just not something that like, even if it's in my fridge, like I'll just pick up all the time. So we're eating our hummus now. So I'm editing the vlog, right? And I realized I need to find a better way to end the vlogs, right? And so this is the end of the vlog. Clearly it's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I filmed it, but it's going up. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.